So,
What up, guys? Patronn here from Brooklyn Mitsubishi. All right, we got Richard here with his book. You want to tell me about this book?
9 to 9, the life of a car salesman. These are the hours that are on the door. It's not the hours that we work, right? We work much more than that.
A lot more than that,
We work
guys.
a lot more than that. But this is the life of a car salesman. So this is some things that go on behind the scenes that people who don't work in our business wouldn't know. And at the end of the book, there's a glossary of words that only we know that we use in the car business.
So like car terms? Like
Yeah,
slang?
like car terms, like slang, that's right.
Like a pie phase and all that?
Yeah, like,
This is cool.
right? Like rough book
Yeah, yeah.
is in there.
Yeah.
The desk, TO.
All right.
Okay, let's go to page 99 real
Why
quick.
not? Let's do
Why
it.
not?
Let's do it. I love this.
Right? So look at some of these words that are in there. I put them in alphabetical order too, so they're easy to see.
CSI,
Right?
broom.
Right? You know what a broom is,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
nobody
of
else would know
course.
what that is.
Yeah, this is cool.
Right?
Guys, I'm super excited to read this book.